In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make your Facebook profile private using your mobile phone so you can better control who sees your content. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more useful tips. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down until you see the Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on it and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Audience and Visibility section. Here, you'll find an option called Profile Locking. Tap on Profile Locking and you'll see the Lock Your Profile button. Go ahead and press it, and Facebook will apply the privacy settings automatically. Once your profile is locked, most of your content will only be visible to your friends, giving you more privacy and security. If you ever want to make your profile public again, you can easily undo this by following the same steps and selecting Unlock Your Profile. And that's it. Your Facebook profile privacy is now fully under your control.